a wonderful afternoon for everyone as we are celebrating this momentous occasion for all the great nation.
Everyone looks so stunning. Everyone looks so wealthy. Yes, at napakagaganda, napaka-shining, shimmering, splendid ng ating mga guests tonight.
Excited ang lahat para sa ngayon hapon na to dahil ang gaganda, bigyan ng mga spotlight ang mga yan. Diba? It feels so good, exciting ngayong hapon na to dahil alam ko marami tayong maa-awardan ngayong araw na to.
Senior Impact Award goes to Ma'am Lucarda Vito!
That's what truly counts is the passion, dedication, and commitment to creating a brighter future for us.
Dahil sa Great Light, nakapaglabas din tayo ng sasakyan. Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Great Light, maraming salamat. At God bless po sa ating lahat.
A journey that proves hard work, dedication, and resilience can lead to remarkable achievements.
Let's all welcome Madam President
Raquel Espaldon Buensuceso!
Be happy for the success of others. Naniniwala ako bawat tao may itinakdang panahon ang Panginoon para sa inyo, para sa atin.
Sa Great Life, ang pinaka-meaningful po sa akin, yung gitna, balisi. Iwan ko po sa inyo, know your worth, don't settle for less, kasi lahat tayo deserve ng magandang buhay!
Let's be happy for the success of others because you are unique. Every person has its own perfect timing. Bawat tao mayroon kanya-kanyang timing yan. Basta you just have to focus on your own growth. Instead of competing with other people, better just compete with yourself. Focus on your self-growth. Focus on improving. Focus on being better. Kapag nakafocus ka on just being better, galingan mo ng galingan, just do your best and God will do the rest, you'll be surprised, you will achieve what you once admired in others. Masusurprise ka na lang one morning, yung ina-admire mo sa ibang tao, nakukuha mo na rin pala. Dahil sabi nga sa TikTok, diba? Step by step hanggang sumakses ka. Kaya naman, para lalo tayong sumakses. Ayan, sumakses. Okay? Ayan na, let's appreciate everything.
Alam niyo, grabe, magbigay ng biyaya ang Diyos. Alam niyo po yung binigay niya sa akin na hinihiling ko na 3,500 monthly. Doing this greatness, network marketing, nasubukan ko pong magkaroon ng sarili kong bahay.
Top 1 of Great Life 2024 is Michelle Salazar!
Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan ito. Pero syempre po, unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat po kung sino po yung nagbibigyan ng lakas, kung bakit ako meron lakas sa ngayon po. Syempre po yung nasa taas. Isasalamat
It's a word that we often hear. But do we truly understand its power? Kasi ako naniniwala that a grateful heart opens door to abundance, to joy, and to genuine connection. Kapag pinapahalagahan natin whatever we have, we attract even more blessings to come into our lives.